Hey guys, and welcome back to another IGTV video with me Ashmita. Guys, last time if you had seen my YouTube video on glass skin, you all must be knowing my night care routine already. But I thought let me describe it in detail to you. The last time when I had done a video on night care, those were products which were slightly expensive, really high end. So you all wanted something which would fit your budget. So I thought let me try this brand which I had already tried earlier. Various products I've already tried from this brand and it is a trusted brand. You guys have given me excellent feedback about this brand. So I thought why not give it a try. So all I do is tone my face and apply the night cream and it's over. The night care routine is over. Can you imagine that? Let me just show you how simple this 2-minute procedure is, guys. Literally 2 minutes. Number one, I'm taking my Pixi Glow Tonic. This is a chemical peel with glycolic acid, guys. This removes the daily buildup of dirt and dead skin cells from your skin, which will help in better absorption of the cream. And chemical exfoliants are big in the market nowadays, guys. Don't feel scared of using them. So the glycolic acid is not really scary because our skin itself is acidic. So just go slowly with upward strokes. And once you're done with your toner, the second step is the night cream, guys. Guys, this is the Nake Organica Rosehip Sleep Cream. And this is such an extraordinary cream, you guys. I'll show you all the texture and I'll tell you the properties. See, I've used almost half. Look at this. It's like a very smooth, fine kind of a cream and very little is enough for your face and your neck as well. So guys, this has hyaluronic acid, rosehip and carrot seed, and we all know that hyaluronic acid is beautiful for moisturizing, and this gives you moisture which is like at least 3 to 4 times more than a regular cream and serum. So very little spreads out very evenly and gets absorbed right in, but at the same time you won't feel a dryness after you've applied this cream. You will still feel that the surface is well moisturized and dewy and glowy. This cream claims to reduce fine lines and gives you a great glow and also makes your skin super smooth. My observation is that I do have a good glow on my face nowadays, and also I feel that it's really working for moisturizing and hydrating. See, moisturizing and hydrating are two different things. Do not get confused. Few moisturizers do not even penetrate into the inner layers of your skin, and this thing you can actually feel it work. The texture is such that it gets absorbed really well. It has made my skin soft, definitely. As far as fine lines are concerned, I think I should use it for a longer time to notice difference in that aspect. But on the whole, in a budget, this is one of the best you can get, guys. And I just love products which are multi-purpose, guys. So this has the properties of a serum, and rightly so, because you can actually feel that. And also you do not need an eye cream if you're using this. Just apply this on the whole around your eyes and your face. You are done, which really simplifies your night care. And I feel this is good for all skin types, guys. Basically you just have to manipulate the quantity that you're using. Because I have an oily skin, I use a little lesser than a dry skin person should use, but it is very moisturizing. Like, you can feel that smoothness wherever you apply it, on your fingers or anything. You can actually feel that smoothness, and the fact that because it has hyaluronic acid, it stays on your skin, hydrates it and moisturizes it. Results do not come overnight, guys. You have to be patient. You have to also do a lot of other stuff. You don't have to do something over the top. Just be sure that you're having a good healthy diet, including a lot of water, fruits and vegetables in your diet, which will help you to enhance the effects that a cream or a skincare product can give you. So guys, coming to the price, this is not at all expensive considering that you get a serum, an eye cream and a night cream all in one box. This is just for $8.50, guys, and it is totally worth every penny that you spend, because as I said, it spreads very easily. You will need a very little quantity and it will last you for at least 2 to 3 months depending on your skin type. If you are a dry skin, you may need more product each day, but if you are an oily skinned girl like me, then 3 months easily. It has a lot of active ingredients, which is why the fragrance may not be fancy because no added fragrance, but then it is definitely not overpowering. It is totally bearable, and after you get used to it, it's kind of pleasant, guys. If you want to check out this night cream from Nake Organica, Their website is right here, guys. It is www.nakeorganica.com, which is www.nakeorganica.com. Go and visit and fill up your carts right away.